Jamaican Brandon King followed up on his maiden ODI half-century with another as the West Indies defeated the Netherlands by 5 wickets to take an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their 3-match series in Amsterdam today. More in this report.
After winning the toss, the Netherlands started in a similar vein as they did in the first one-day international as openers Vikramjit Singh, 46, and Max Odod, 51, quickly settled in and laid a solid foundation. The pair took the score to 101 in 20.3 overs before the Windies spinners got the breakthrough. That then led to a collapse as the Netherlands lost their remaining 9 wickets for just 99 runs to be bowled out for 214. Last man out, Scott Edwards was the top scorer in the innings with 68 as no other batsman reached double figures. Akil Hussain was the main architect of the Netherlands' demise, bagging a career best 4 for 39, while Alzari Joseph ended with 2 for 30. Now, having successfully chased 247 on Monday, the Windies were expected to make light work of the target. But they dug themselves into a hole early. Shamar Brooks was the first to go for 6 before the Windies lost hope at 35 for 2. Nkrumah Bonner, who is yet to find his footing in ODI cricket, looked positive, but only for a brief period as he made 15. The Windies then lost captain Nicholas Puran for 10 and Kyle Mears for 22, with the team reeling at 99 for 5. However, Brandon King with a career best 91 and Casey Carty 43 in his first innings in ODI cricket posted an unbroken 6th wicket stand of 118 runs to take the team across the line at 217 for 5. King was fluent throughout his innings, which included 9 fours and 3 sixes. Boss de Lettre ended pick of the Netherlands bowlers with 2 for 46.
Extremely happy so far. I tried to do my best to just perform for the team with the role given, and fortunately it came off today. Yeah, the pitch is good for batting. I can't complain. Fortunately, our bowlers restricted them to a low total, so I didn't have to try to do anything too expansive. Just keep it simple.
Today was evident that we need our spinners to actually bowl and bowl well for us. Find ways to win games and know how to actually win key moments in the games.
The final match in the series will be played on Saturday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.